Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you give us your thumbs up, like, and also continue to share our stuffs on this channel. Our case challenging pro-Wike's lawmakers still before Supreme Court. Rivers government clarifies. The Rivers State government has clarified that its legal challenge regarding the leadership of the State of Assembly and the membership status of lawmakers who defected in December 2023 remains pending before the Supreme Court. Naija News reported that the clarification was made by Edison Ehie, Chief of Staff to Governor Siminalayi Fubara, in a Facebook post following speculations about the recent Supreme Court ruling. Ehie explained that the Supreme Court ruling on Monday, February 10, 2025, was specifically related to the appeal court's judgment, which directed Governor Fubara to represent the 2024 budget before the Martins Amaewhule-led assembly. He stated that since the 2024 budget had already been spent, Governor Fubara decided to withdraw his appeal against the ruling, as continuing the legal battle would serve no practical purpose. He clarified, this appeal SC/CV/1071/2024, Governor of Rivers State versus Rivers State House of Assembly and others, which came up today at the Supreme Court, has become purely academic. He further noted that the case originated from suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1613/2023 filed on November 29, 2023 before Justice James Omotosho at the Federal High Court, Abuja. The suit pertained solely to the 2024 budget, which was fully utilized by December 31, 2024, marking the end of the fiscal year. The appeal is of no useful purpose in this year 2025, which has its budget. The only reasonable thing left to do was to withdraw the appeal and have it dismissed, he said. Ehie emphasized that the withdrawn appeal had no connection to the legal dispute over the defection of 27 lawmakers, including Martins Amaewhule. He explained that on December 11, 2023, Amaewhule and 26 other lawmakers defected from the PDP to the APC, thereby vacating their seat in the Rivers State House of Assembly under constitutional provisions. This appeal that was withdrawn today has nothing to do with the seats of Martin Chike Amaewhule and his 26 friends in the Rivers State House of Assembly, he said. He urged the public not to be misled by what he described as false propaganda from the lawmakers, reaffirming that the case regarding their defections is still before the Supreme Court. Of course, wonders shall never end. We continue to see different intrigues. If you look at it from the point of view of the argument and submission of the Chief of Staff to the governor, truly speaking, why will you continue to appeal a case and prosecute a case that is dead end already? The money in question, the budget in question is spent and is long gone. There is a new budget already for 2025. 2024 cannot be recalled again. It's a year that has come and gone. And if they decided by their own wisdom to withdraw the case and not to discuss it again, only for academic purpose, if they continue, it's going to be a waste of money, a waste of resources, a waste of time of the government and even their learned council. So at least for them to come out now to come and tell the public, it helps us to have a better understanding of what is going on, because we've been hearing about the fact that some of the cases are in favor of the governor, but hearing this one that a case has been thrown out is like a twist, as if there is a glimmer of hope for the 27 lawmakers. But then with the clarification we have here, and I think it should also be backed up with court evidences about documents that are signed again for the withdrawal and every other thing, so that the journalists can also post that for the public to see, in order to further establish the fact and the, to concrete the point, to cement the point that the government spokesperson or the chief of staff is trying to drive home for everyone to see. Because some of their supporters in Edo State, of course, because of a little bit of the confusion in the narrative, might be thinking that the ball is no more in their court and they are losing the case. So in this regard, we are waiting for the Supreme Court also to continue further and make necessary judgment as regards the real status of these 27 lawmakers who defected to APC from PDP in December, and then also those that is in 2023, and also to also understand the stand of the court even right now. And even if there is expectation that this same set of lawmakers are supposed to still, take the governor to court as regards to 2025 budget too, they need to keep that's an advice anyway. So my thinking, and they supposed to continue to prosecute the case so that the governor will know that he is, according to them anyway, prosecuting illegality and trying to make sure things are not properly done, and then they want him to do things legally and do things correctly as constituted, allowed by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And also we also want to see exactly what are the that 27 lawmakers presenting before the Supreme Court, because of course before they could reach that level, a lot of uh, uh, cases have gone from one court to the other, the federal court, the appeal court, and then at this level in Supreme Court, yes, we want the Supreme Court to decide and let us know what exactly the fate of these 27 lawmakers, and that will also help the incumbent governor to even concentrate and do more for the people of Rivers State, because there is need for the government to be done with all these court cases back and forth, going from one court to another court, from one appellate court to another appellate court, in order to achieve one singular purpose: to remove the lawmakers, or that the lawmakers should be reinstated and allow them to perform their duties correctly, and also giving them their emoluments or their rights under the law. And these are the things the whole Edo State people are waiting for, we want to see. But be it as it may, court processes are not that fast. You have to wait, because the judges need to take their time also to listen to both sides and make sure they give a fair hearing, since justice is about fairness, equity, and making sure that nothing is left in the dark or unturned, and to also be able to give judgment correctly, to vindicate the person that is rightfully ready and qualified for vindication, and to also judge and also convict whoever is rightfully to be convicted. So these are some of the things we are waiting to see. Supreme Court is the final decider concerning their case and their fate. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Don't forget to like our channel. Make sure you give us your thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.